Going to show where I'm filming. In there, in that raspberry patch. And in there, it's just done. About half an hour. And we go right up the end. And over in the back, that's going to be hard. Anyway, keep going. Nice soil. Baby guinea fowl. How many? 13. Well, that's a surprise. Are they both mothers? Oh, jeez. Because I'm zoomed in, it scared the crap out of me. I thought it was right next to me. I'm just going to show you what the definition of resilience is. This old tree stump here, look at that, wait for it, it's growing back, it's actually growing back somehow. This one goes out to all the butterfly bush lovers. 1, 2, 3, 4 different colours. Unreal, right? I've finished my day's work. If anyone else has this problem when they get home, it's just outside my door. That's where I'm gate, you see. I'm going to open this door. So, yeah, that's the situation. I've got to get out there. Yeah. Oh, God, bloody hell. Not much room. Actually, in the butterfly bush. Actually in there. So I'll get to it.